Hi, I'm Matthew, and I'm a Partner Success Consultant at Receipt Bank's Sydney office, and I'll be showing you how to integrate a Receipt Bank account with an accounting software. I recommend that you do this before you start submitting items to Receipt Bank, so that receipts and invoices are coded with your business's specific chart of accounts and customer list. First, click Connections in the sidebar menu, then select Integrations from the submenu. This page is where you manage your connection with a linked accounting software. Click the green Choose Software button to start the integration process. This pop-up shows all the different accounting software that Receipt Bank can integrate with. If yours is not shown, follow the instructions in the Getting Started with Unintegrated Software video to import your chart of accounts. Click the software you wish to integrate with and follow the instructions on screen. These are slightly different for each software, but generally involve entering your login credentials for the account. If any additional information is required, you will be prompted to enter it. Once the integration is complete, the integrations page will contain all the settings and information regarding how Receipt Bank interacts with the accounting software. This includes how tax information should be published and where in the software items will be published to. Receipt Bank pulls across your chart of accounts from the integrated software. Click the Categories list in the sidebar menu to review this list. Your customer list will similarly be updated. Now, whenever you submit an item, Receipt Bank will code it to match your accounting software. You'll be able to receive, review, and publish the item image and extracted information from the Receipt Bank inbox straight into the accounting platform.